In today's fast-paced world where technology shapes our daily lives, choosing the right tablet has never been more crucial. Tablets have evolved from being simple content consumption devices to becoming indispensable tools for productivity, creativity, and entertainment. With a myriad of options available, it's essential to make an informed decision that aligns with your needs and preferences. In this comprehensive comparison, we'll dive deep into two prominent contenders in the premium tablet market, the Xiaomi Pad 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Both tablets offer unique strengths and features, catering to a wide range of users. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Design, build, and quality. The design philosophy of a tablet extends beyond aesthetics, influencing user comfort and overall functionality. The Xiaomi Pad 6 embodies a minimalist yet sophisticated design, featuring a sleek metal unibody that bears a resemblance to the revered iPad Air's construction. This design not only enhances the tablet's premium feel but also ensures durability. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra focuses on achieving the utmost portability and elegance. With their astonishingly slim profile of only 5.5 millimeters, it takes the spotlight for being one of the thinnest tablets available. Furthermore, the impressive build quality of both tablets contributes to their appeal, catering to users who prioritize aesthetics and sturdiness alike. Display. When it comes to entertainment, the display quality plays a pivotal role in delivering a captivating experience. The Xiaomi Pad 6 boasts an 11-inch IPS LCD screen, a display technology known for its color accuracy and wide viewing angles. What sets the Pad 6 apart is its remarkable 144Hz refresh rate, making animations and scrolling smoother, providing a visually engaging experience. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra takes a step forward with its 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display. With its larger canvas, it becomes an excellent choice for media consumption, especially HDR content, as it offers deep blacks, vibrant colors, and impressive contrast. The Tab S9 Ultra's display prowess elevates the tablet's entertainment capabilities, giving users a more immersive visual journey. Performance and productivity. The heart of any computing device lies in its performance capabilities. The Xiaomi Pad 6 harnesses the power of the Snapdragon 870 SoC, a chipset that excels in delivering high-speed performance, particularly suited for multitasking and gaming. This enables the tablet to handle resource-intensive applications and run smoothly even under demanding circumstances. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, on the other hand, raises the bar with its enhanced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Complemented by a generous up to 16 GB of RAM, this tablet is built to effortlessly tackle heavy workloads and provide seamless multitasking. This makes it not only a powerful content consumption device but also a robust tool for productivity on the go. Software and user experience. Software customization and user experience greatly influence the day-to-day usability of tablet. The Xiaomi Pad 6 runs MIUI for Pad 14, a tablet-focused interface based on Android 13. This UI brings a range of features designed to optimize tablet usage, including an intuitive multi-window mode and enhanced split-screen functionality. While MIUI caters well to the tablet form factor, the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra introduces the impressive One UI 5.1.1. This overlay takes usability a step further by integrating Samsung DeX, a feature that transforms the tablet into a desktop-like environment. The multitasking capabilities offered by DeX open doors to enhance productivity, giving the Tab S9 Ultra a competitive edge in the productivity department. Accessories and productivity boost. Enhancing a tablet's capabilities are accessories like stylus pens and keyboard cases. Xiaomi's Smart Pen is designed with low latency and efficient palm rejection, ideal for note-taking, sketching, and other creative tasks. However, it's Samsung's S Pen that offers a well-rounded experience, benefiting from years of stylus refinement by Samsung. Additionally, the keyboard case is a critical productivity accessory. While both brands offer keyboard cases, Samsung's option stands out with a more comfortable typing experience thanks to the inclusion of a trackpad and a palm rest. This combination contributes to a laptop-like experience, enhancing productivity for tasks that require extended typing. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a concern for users who rely on their tablets throughout the day. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features an 8,840 mAh battery, which, coupled with optimized power management, provides commendable longevity, easily lasting through a day of moderate usage. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra continues the legacy of its predecessors by offering impressive battery life thanks to its energy-efficient components and intelligent power management. Both tablets support fast charging, with Xiaomi's 33-watt wired charging and Samsung's remarkable 67-watt Super VOOC charging ensuring quick replenishment of battery levels. Camera. Cameras on tablets have become more relevant with the rise of remote work and video conferencing. The Xiaomi Pad 6 offers a respectable camera setup with a rear 13-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. These cameras are sufficient for casual photography and video calls. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra brings a more comprehensive camera system to the table. It boasts a versatile 16-megapixel plus, 12-megapixel plus, 5-megapixel triple camera setup on the back, making it suitable for capturing a wider range of scenarios with improved clarity and depth. The 8-megapixel front camera on the Tab S9 Ultra is also enhanced, ensuring better video quality for virtual meetings and video chats. Storage options and expandability. The storage capacity of a tablet is crucial, especially for users who store a significant amount of media, documents, and applications. The Xiaomi Pad 6 offers a range of storage options, starting from 128 GB up to 256 GB. While this may suffice for many users, it lacks the option for expandable storage via micro SD cards. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra provides a wider range of storage capacities, starting from 128 GB and going up to a hopping 1 TB. Moreover, the Tab S9 Ultra supports micro SD card expansion, allowing users to add more storage as their needs evolve over time. Audio performance. For users who enjoy consuming media without headphones, the audio performance of a tablet's built-in speakers is a crucial consideration. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features dual speakers that deliver stereo sound. While the audio quality is decent, it might not provide the most immersive experience. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra takes audio to the next level with its quad-speaker setup, powered by 8K G tuning. This configuration provides a more dynamic and immersive audio experience, making the tablet an ideal choice for movie enthusiasts and audiophiles who prioritize top-notch sound quality. Security features. Security is of paramount importance, especially for devices that store sensitive information and provide access to personal accounts. Both the Xiaomi Pad 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra offer fingerprint sensor authentication for quick and secure unlocking. However, the Tab S9 Ultra goes a step further by incorporating an advanced under-display fingerprint sensor, which not only enhances security but also adds a touch of modernity to the device's design. Additionally, the Tab S9 Ultra provides facial recognition technology for an alternative and convenient method of unlocking the tablet. Price and value. Last but not least, the price and overall value of the tablets play a pivotal role in the decision-making process. The Xiaomi Pad 6, known for its competitive pricing strategy, offers a cost-effective option for users seeking a powerful and versatile tablet without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra positions itself as a premium offering with a higher price point, which is justified by its advanced features, cutting-edge technology, and top-tier performance. When considering the value proposition, users need to balance their budget constraints with the desired features and performance level. So after our in-depth exploration of the Xiaomi Pad 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, which tablet emerges victorious? While both tablets bring exceptional features to the table, it's hard to ignore the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's comprehensive package. With its stunning AMOLED display, powerful performance, and Samsung DeX for seamless productivity, the Tab S9 Ultra is the clear winner for users seeking a true laptop replacement. However, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with strong performance, the Xiaomi Pad 6 is a solid contender that won't disappoint. Ultimately, a decision boils down to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize a dazzling display, a powerhouse performance, or a budget-friendly option, both the Xiaomi Pad 6 and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra have something to offer. So which tablet will you be adding to your tech collection? The choice is yours. Thank you all so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.